Philippines, that island is called the Sleeping Giant here in Philippines.
View. Ang ganda ng place nito. Hi, good morning. Ito yung second day namin dito sa Coron. And free breakfast yung accommodation namin. And ang ganda ng preparation nila ng food. Pagkagising mo ng 7, akit ka na lang dito para mag-breakfast. Prepare na nila lahat. Napaka accommodating nila. And after dito is pahinga. After mag-breakfast, tapos alis na kami. Magagala kami. Start na ng tour namin. Here in Coron, Palawan. Kaya guys, breakfast tayo. Good morning. Dito kami na start tour. And ito yung mga kasamahan namin dito. And ini-isa-isa lang para makapag-start na ng tour. Kaya may isa ka lang?
Oh, boss, solo travel.
Si Lingping, room 302.
So, anong hotel po?
Island.
Zero to ka. Anong hotel po?
Island View.
How many person po?
Dalawa kami tapos
Jasmine ako, boss. Pero isang baso. Jasmine po kayo. Isa lang po kayo, sir. Bam, kami Jasmine. Pusi po. Si Ricardo po. Eh, ikaw to. Ito, let's. Let's. Dahil siguro ba ito siya? Anong tulad siya? Nakalimutan ko. Island View? Anong turo na ngayon, sir?
Hello.
Arnel po. Ito, to.
Nandito po. Siya po yung guide.
Sir po kay Kuya Toto.
Okay. And
Okay, kumbay lo, okay kina.
ayan, nabigyan na kami ng guide. Si Kuya Toto.
Hello po, ako po yung tour guide nyo ngayon, ma'am, sir. Sir, dito na pagkakabag-isip.
Daming tao dito ngayon.
Sir, what's your name lang po for passenger manifest po? 2 copy po.
Both of you po.
Sulat lang yung pangalan for copy for visitors, passengers, para legal yung tour natin. Pwede mo? Shelby. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, well done. Travel Slap Trip, travel tours, tie-up ni Travel Happy Travel. Ang lahat dito is mga foreigner. Today is Monday, but sobrang dami pa rin ng mga tao dito sa Coron. And dyan kami sasakay ng bangka, andyan lahat ng bangka para sa tour. And nga, kumpleto na yung team and we go to start the tour today. And my friends, Foreigner. And the guide is kay Toto. Ayan. Halos lahat is foreigner.
Doktora po, yung mga tinawag, Cecil Arvin, Generalista, Brad, LT2. LT1, doktora po, LT1.
Grabe yung dami ng tao. Vegetarian. And this is the name of our boat, Vegetarian. Oh! Thank you. Dito na tayo. Dito na kami sa bangka. Kasama namin ang mga kasama namin. Andrew. Ito na. Forwarding. Wearing a life jacket. Para safety din. Kahit marunong na lumangoy. Marunong ka lumangoy.
Try tawa ni Clyde.
Doon ang sa safety.
Kapit ka sa akin. Kaya ito your ship leader, ship captain. Ship captain. Mukha naman daw kasi ako nalutang.
We start na our tour. Tumakabo na yung bangka namin. Default, nakikita nyo yung bundok. Sa kulungan, we are ganda ng mga formation. Sana stay safe. Stay safe yung tour namin today. Nag-enjoy nyo. Napakabumi ang whole team. Kaya in the boat. Nakasalamin mo na. Ilayo mo, alayo.
Welcome here in Philippines, the island is called the sleeping giant here in Philippines. The head is over there, looking at the front, and the body. And sir, I give you example what kind of giant? Hindi naman giant. What kind of giant? Male or female? No, it's wrong. It's male.
Male?
Just look on the middle. Look at small standing, right?
Oh, there's a cop.
Look at the Filipino size. You alone? Single? My father is single. That's my father. Kevin.
Okay na ako.
Coron Youth Camp or Coron Youth Club. But don't speak inside the field we have a club because it's different club. Just go on the right side to your private toilet. Okay? It's true, it's a private toilet. But the problem in this toilet is the toilet is direct to the point. It's connected to the hospital.
Hoy, bakit? Paganda ng Sara.
And we start our trip here in Coron. Another yacht here. And nakikita rin naman. Ito na yung tube. Ang ganda ng place nito. And it's not about that. Here, where you go? Oh. And malakas yung alon. Man, what's up? Sobrang lakas ng alon.
So, paano po?
It is sabi ni Kuya, it's 19 minutes travel from the pier or from the port papunta ng tourist destination here in Coron. We are in first destination. Before we are in Coron. Look, the island. It is a small island. Yaw. We arrived. And bani kuya yung angkla nila.